Hello friends, hope you're fine. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 3, page number 23, and today's topic is using capital letters. This is an important topic. Here in this place we will learn some rules of using capital letters. You have to follow this in your future life. It means when you will go to write any sentence, you should follow these rules. And if you read anything, you will find the other writers have also followed these rules. So let's see what is written here. In this place, it is written capital letters are used, and here examples. First rule is to begin every sentence. See, in this place, one example is given: the pirate wore a big gold earring. We have got here this sentence has started with capital letter. Here, see, T is capital. Next one, for the names of people and pets and for initials. Examples are given here: Mary, Ahmed, Spot, Fluffy, A.J, Compton. Next rule, for the names of places, rivers, mountains, etc. In this place, London, Snowdown, Thames, Niagara. In writing address, 23 2nd Avenue, Hopsham, Sussex. Next rule, for the names of well-known buildings like the National Gallery, the British Museum, Windsor Castle. We are going to get another rule, that is for the names of days, months and holidays like Thursday, January, Easter, Diwali. In this place we have got for the names of books, poems, songs, newspaper, etc. like kidnapped, watership down the times. And here the last rule is for the word I. It means wherever you will find or whenever you will use I alone, it can be beginning of the sentence or it can be inside the sentence, middle of the sentence, in the last of the sentence. You have to make its capital letter, means you have to write it in capital letter. Like when I bought it, I thought I had a bargain. See, in this place I, these are capital letters. So after reading this, if we do one exercise, then this topic will be clearer for us. Let's see. Here, first exercise, rewrite these sentences using capital letters where required. First sentence, Ian saw the Houses of Parliament and Buckingham Palace. So where we have to use the capital letters, we know the rules. First word means this place we have to use capital letter, it will be Ian. Then saw the Houses of Parliament, these houses, here H will be capital, the Parliament's P will be capital, and Buckingham Palace is the name of place, so this will be also capital, P, and palaces P. Next one, I shall be on holiday on Saturday the 20th of July. We know the rule, it will be capital, and in this place the day's name, of course, it will be capital. We have got the rules here. This will be as capital. And 20th of July, here July's J will be capital. Next one, we are moving to 24 Richmond Road, Swansea. What will be here? Here this W will be capital. Or moving to 24 Richmond Road, here R will be capital, roads R will be capital, and this is a place's name, of course, this S will be capital. I saw Anna and Michael in the park playing with their dogs Digga and Bonnie. Here we know this will be capital. Anna, one person's name, that's why it will be capital, and same thing will be here, M will be capital. And we know playing with their dogs, and here dogs names we have got Digga and another one Bonnie. Easter Monday is the man day after Good Friday. Here we know this is the name of holiday, so it will be capital. Monday day's name capital, and day after the Good Friday. Here G will be capital and F will be also capital. B number exercise, write the following 3 first names. You can easily write 3 first name from your house. Try to write it. 3 surnames. What is surnames? Surnames actually is a person's last name or family name. I'm just helping. You will try at your home. Like Smith is a popular surname in the US, and you will find Tiang is a popular surname in Senegal. Your surname, your last name, just write it here. So try to do it at your home, except there are many common surnames like I have told before. Smith, there are also Jones, Johnson, etc. And the names of 3 days, these are so easy. Try at your home. I think you know this. And last one, see the title of any book. You can write the title of this book, means Junior English. So I think you have understood today's topic. Today we have done using capital letters and this topic from Junior English Book 3, and this is in page number 23. Next day we will do page number 24, and there we will find a comprehension, that is Aladdin. Bye for today.